Viewers' discretion is advised.
Welcome to Dreadful Shadows.
Likely taking place during the whole killer clown craze of 2016, this Ring doorbell caught the exact moment someone dressed in a clown costume walked up to its front door. The person can be seen tilting their head and slowly walking up to the door, almost the whole time staring directly into the camera. While it's most likely just someone trying to scare people, there's a small chance something a lot more sinister is going on here. To this day, it's still unclear whether the house owner experienced anything further regarding the situation. The homeowner was at work when he received the doorbell camera notification, and when he opened it, he got a bit of a fright. Either it's a bad joke or she's possessed. On January 18th of 2022, in Street Lewis, MO, at midnight, two armed men tried to break the door by kicking it. But failed. The scene was caught on camera, and the footage of these two men was handed to the police, who traced the two thieves and finally arrested them. This clip is from Miami, Florida, and shows a female porch pirate slowly creeping up those stairs, seemingly aware that she's being picked up. Nevertheless, she picks up the package, but only after putting on sunglasses, apparently thinking that her identity is now secret. Wrong thinking. The owner of this house would wake up to a notification on his phone telling him motion was detected at his front door. And after reviewing the footage, this is what he found. There was an old woman with a knife just standing at his front door, constantly shifting her body weight from side to side. The woman can be seen awkwardly holding and looking at the knife, as well as constantly glancing all around her. After a few more seconds, the woman finally attempts to ring the doorbell, but seemingly can't bring herself to do it for whatever reason. And after 2 minutes of footage, it cuts off. It's still unclear who this woman was or what caused her to walk up to a stranger's front door wielding a knife. This doorbell camera footage seems to have captured an almost transparent-looking figure walking across the house owner's property in the middle of the night. The figure looks to have no face and seems to slowly become less visible as it continues to move. The audio from the video reveals the noise of very faint footsteps. After reviewing the footage and examining the property, the house owner found nothing out of the ordinary, and it's still unclear what exactly was caught on video that night.
Support the channel. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel.